bike taxis to meet somebody that I've been wanting to meet for a super long time. Jamal's here as well. He's on another bike, and yeah, we're coming there really close. It's like nighttime, super busy, super dark. We're living a little bit dangerously on these bikes because you gotta do what you gotta do right here in Bangkok.
Hi guys, I'm Mikey Bustos. It's my friend Mark from Manila and my other friend RJ there. We're here with Payman. We're gonna go eat.
Oh my god, I'm super hungry. But you introduced yourself. Everybody knows you. I'm sure everybody that's my audience.
No.
It's the other way around. It's not, you know, nobody knows me yet. But man.
Yes, hey, I can't wait to eat. I've seen some of your vlogs. Ooh. You've gone all over the world, and it's an honor to be part of your channel.
Oh my god, it is an honor for me. I've been trying to organize this for a year, so thank you.
I have heard this. Yes, thank you.
My pleasure, thank you. So we found this restaurant that a friend of ours told us about, and they said that they make tom yum in a siphon, like in a coffee siphon. And we came over here, and it's like super fancy, and we're a little bit, well, I'm a little bit underdressed. Oh, awesome, thank you. I'm still behind, so this was just very quickly, so this was violet ginger something. This is like
non-alcoholic something. Yeah.
Non-alcoholic.
Yeah. It tastes like a 7-Up kind of.
7-Up.
Like a cooler. Cheers.
When we meet, we gotta, yeah.
Cheers, my boys.
Let's hold that flower petal. Oh, you did? You swallowed it?
Yeah.
I didn't get it.
It's okay. It's good enough for like. Yeah. Good.
There you go.
OMG. Sweet, dry, sweet fish.
Oh,
Yeah?
that's different.
A red melon, yellow melon, a green melon. And it's like a bunch of salt and that dried fish. On the streets, they give you this with chili as well. This is a northern dish, I believe, from Chiang Mai. I didn't realize you can eat lotus leaves. Me too. Oh my
It
god.
takes a while to explode.
Oh.
There's the spice. Wow, it's so good.
I'm gonna like sweat in a second.
It's very good. There's so many different textures, and like you experience it like slowly through the chewing process. Yeah. Wow. Amazing.
So I gotta tell you, last time I had this was last December, and then I went back home and I tried to recreate it, but I could not find lotus leaves.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
not everybody grows a garden of lotus, you know what I'm saying?
All I did was I switched out the lotus for lettuce.
Ah, okay.
Close enough, you know, I thought lettuce, lotus.
Yeah.
And everything else is available and super good. But the other thing that I added, which wasn't in this, is lime peel.
Lime peel?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, so it gives it that little bit of that bitter lime flavor as well.
We're gonna try to duplicate this in the Philippines. Maybe we'll use like what sampaguita flowers or something. Sampaguita is like it's our national flower, and they sell it. The kids sell it on the street, and it's very fragrant. Yeah, yeah.
And it's sea scallops, seared Hokkaido, which is up north. Aubergine chutney, Jerusalem artichoke puree with salsa Thai anchovies. So we're lucky, guys. They gave us one of these so that we actually remember to say the right thing on the vlog. This is awesome. This is like perfect for vlogging,
Yeah, that's
right?
very helpful.
It's super helpful.
So do we just eat it like this?
Oh, is that how we do it?
I don't know. Oh, okay. Let's. RJ's
Oh,
using
yeah.
a
RJ's using a fork, so we're gonna do the same thing.
Wow. Look at it. Oh, it looks so delicious. Wow. That is one of the best scallops I've ever had. Buttery. Oh my god.
You like it?
All of this leftover, I'm gonna eat that.
Oh, the chutney. It's like a sweet chutney. It just gives it like a completely different flavor. I've never had scallops with chutney, but it's sweet like that.
It is so good.
So far, they've gotten everything right. It's been good. What do you think, Mark? Good. Yeah? Yeah.
So good, this place. This place, I can't believe it.
I know. And I gotta thank that guy. I'm not even sure who he is. We were just talking about it at the coffee shop, and he's like, "You gotta go there." So thank you, whoever you are.
Yeah, thank you for recommending.
With chili, cilantro, granita. My stomach. I almost don't want it.
I
It looks so good, right? I'm just gonna quickly like mess it up just a little bit because I just want to try
gotta
it.
mess that up like that.
Is it good? All right, I'm ready. I'm ready for the spicy, right?
No, this is not spicy. This is
It's hot.
ultra.
Apparently, this green stuff is super spicy.
Amazing. It's delicious.
I see your head like sweating.
My head is not sweating, buddy.
Wow, it's so good though.
Yeah.
How do you describe it? It's like I taste the lime in it
A lot of lime.
and a whole lot of fire.
I think I'm sweating now.
He's sweating. How about you guys?
Happens in every episode.
Yeah.
You guys are doing super well. My God.
I love spicy food.
Oh, amazing. All right. My turn. My turn, peeps. All right. You know what it's like?
Oh, yeah.
It's like a chimichurri, Argentinian sauce,
Oh,
right?
Spicy one.
it's very good and it's cold. Like
How is your food?
it's so good.
Spicy too much for you?
Very spicy, but very good.
You gotta finish that.
Oh, gee, it's so good. And those radishes here and the cucumber, and it's cold. It's hot, but it's cold. You know what I'm saying?
The good thing about Thai spice, unlike Indian spice, is in like what, 5-7 minutes it's gone. Indian spice is what messes you up. All right, I will have another bite. It's just too good to leave behind. Hold it. It's super good.
Oh my
I
gosh.
love it. It's very tangy, but super spicy. Just about to drop some tears. Some tears are gonna.
More spice, bring it on.
Like seriously, guys.
Wow. Never had a friend like me.
I almost wanted to go and stand in the middle of the table like this. While they took my out of the smoke like goes on.
We got stage effects and everything. Wow. First of all, the last course burned my tongue, so this seems hotter than it already is.
I was about to say the exact same thing.
Oh,
What I like is they've made the duck. It feels like a pulled duck almost. It's like little strips.
yeah.
It's a nice touch for them.
Very good.
And there's some sort of sauce on the bottom as well, right? Is that like a sweet type sauce or?
Like a plum sauce or something.
I gotta tell you,
Yeah, that was
my gums are on fire. Like,
We only have
seriously.
ourselves.
How amazing is that, right?
That was crazy.
Oh, we're pyrotechnics here.
Yes, no touch.
Beautiful, look at that. They had like shrimp that was sliced from the bottom, and they poured the tom yum right into the stomach. Amazing, and it's all inside that bowl. Smells
so
beautiful.
good.
And as Mikey said, you're gonna have 2 perspectives on this dinner, which is amazing. All the details in the description below.
Let's eat. Let's eat this. Probably the best tom yum I've ever had.
Right?
Sorry.
With everything.
Good, right?
Oh my gosh, that was so tender.
It's so good.
Yummy. I like that. It's like almost semi-cooked, right? Not complete cooked, not...
Yeah, it's not rubbery.
it's not rubbery. There you go.
Okay, now it's time to eat the head.
Oh, yeah.
You can use your fingers.
Ain't nobody's judging.
He knows the right way to do it.
I'm gonna do it that way too.
It's good, right?
I just realized we're not even at the main course yet.
What? This is not the main course?
Remember we chose between beef and duck. We're still in appetizer mode. Guys, check out what me and Mikey did to everybody's prawns, like all of it. We like,
Exoskeletons are left, guys.
we like devoured the entire thing. The other plates on the other side, empty. Water all over here.
They brought it to the right place.
Real foodies, real foodies. Hashtag.
Here is the princess.
Corinda. Anything that's just ice and not spicy, we need right now. Seriously, like my lips are still kind of...
I feel my lower intestinal tract right now.
Oh my god, they got the sorbet the exact same color.
Amazing.
That is pretty good, right? Alright, dry. I think I'm gonna do the whole thing with it like...
Oh,
straight
that's
up.
a good idea.
Yeah? Because it feels like it's gonna melt and we're gonna lose out.
Oh my gosh, you know what this tastes like? It tastes like baby food. Have you ever like been curious when you're feeding a baby and you taste their food? It tastes like this.
I've never done that.
Tasty. Sorry, I'm the only weird one then. Oh my! I just got goosebumps with that reveal.
Check out mine, check out mine, check out. Oh wow! Same, just red.
Yours looks
Pretty
better
good
than mine. I'm gonna try the beef.
You put the whole roti?
Yeah, I just put it on top because I can't wrap it.
I like you, man. I like that big bite. That's the kind of bite that I like.
Yes.
Wow. And yeah.
Chef,
Amazing job. Man, and this basil. This basil peach. It's
good.
It is so aromatic.
guys, apparently here in Bangkok, the basil is like extra good, like better than a lot of the world.
Phenomenal. Oh my god. And by the way, those duck slices, not super thin, not super thick, but the texture is it's super nice. It's moist. It's not dry duck. You killed it, man.
You're spicy.
It's good.
Yeah.
It's got a little bit of
What?
It's really good.
There's so much
Yeah,
going
sweet
on
curry.
there.
Flavorful.
Yeah.
There are so many tastes, flavors, textures.
I'm actually not having any of those red chilies. I think I've had enough chilies for the night. That's it. So good.
Guys, Thai food.
Definitely like in my top 3 like best in the world.
I think it's starting to become in our top 3 too.
Absolutely love it. So how do you grade that, man? How are we grading these things?
I think that's an A+.
Oh wow.
Yeah, he hit it out of the ballpark with this one.
Look what I just noticed. I've got in here, and it's the first time I've ever seen that. It looks like a cucumber.
That's a cucumber?
I think so. It looks like
Do you
it.
play fantasy football? I used to when I was in the US because I could watch it live.
What is it?
I think it's a grape.
I was gonna say it looks like a grape. It's purple.
That's the one where
There are grapes in here?
Oh my god. Look at all the different things in here. You've got cherry tomatoes, you got these red chilies, you got this coconut milk caviar, you got the duck, you got the basil.
But we fixed our system.
Such
Before
a
it was,
great dish.
you know,
I think I agree, man. A+.
The backup.
A+,
I'm with you on
right?
that.
But now we have a waiver system, so you can't make any.
Mine was definitely A+. I
Okay,
finished
still.
it.
Look at this.
What is that?
Something else.
A banana? What should be something random? It's a banana.
Lychee.
See? Lychee.
Crazy.
Who would think of putting lychee in this?
There were grapes and lychees.
Here, have it.
I think you owe me an apology.
Okay, I stand corrected. I stand corrected. Why don't you have the chili?
I'm good. I feel bad for not eating good. I never like to leave things like
I would
on
not
my plate,
expect
my bowl. I usually try to take it out and give it to somebody, but
I can take it.
awesome.
Are you really not eating it?
Seriously, I can't do it. Oh man, thank you, man. I appreciate that.
No problem. Thank
A lot
you.
better. Awesome.
I'm gonna look that up.
Just these mangoes, peeps. Oh, these mangoes are so good. We don't, obviously, we gotta import mangoes, and most of it's imported from India. We have good mangoes most of the seasons, but a lot of times it's also sour, right?
Have you tried the Philippine mangoes?
Oh, Philippine mangoes are the sweetest.
They're even sweeter than these.
Yes. Sorry.
I guess it's time to go back there.
Is that true?
Is it?
Is that fact? I think it is, right?
That they are?
Yeah, we have.
taste perspective.
Yeah, Philippines has like sweetest mangoes in the world. Can we say that?
I think so.
Well,
Just did.
Yeah.
it's time to
Do you
go back
guys
to the
agree?
Philippines.
Comment, leave a comment.
Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely.
Guys, there's gold leaf on this. Oop, it's dripping. What a waste.
Oh,
Sorry. How did I see that gold? See those pieces of gold? There's gold in here.
amazing. Look at that.
OMG.
Not only in the UAE, peeps, not only in the UAE, you get gold elsewhere as well on the food. But this is kind of nice, right? It's like a little bowl within a fish bowl, like a
Yeah.
little fish bowl.
It would have been nice if there were little fish swimming around.
Yeah, that would have been super cool.
Oh, this is smoking. There's dry ice in here.
Oh,
This whole dining experience has like theatrics and effects. Sweet. Theatrics effects. Okay,
Alright, so you got the gold. You got the gold?
yeah, yeah.
Let the gold go.
I felt like I bit into a glacier there. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's really good. Fruity. There's a pomegranate.
It's not like a hollow, but we'll take it.
Yeah, that's right. Guys, he's been to Manila. Did you vlog it?
No, I've done my TV show there. My vlog, hopefully.
Okay, guys, yeah. By the way, he did a 2-year TV show, right? For Dubai TV.
The Manila episode, actually, we had an amazing time. And that was the first time I ever went to the Philippines. And it was
Alright.
fantastic. The thing is, you know, because we have so many Filipinos that live in the UAE, we kind of knew bits and pieces of the culture. When we went there, it all kind of made sense.
The picture fit together.
Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, I kind of found that too because like I grew up in Canada, and the only knowledge I had about the Philippines was just my aunts and uncles and my parents. And then when we went to the motherland, I'm like, oh, this is why. I get it now.
Amazing. Woo! This was amazing, huh?
Yeah, this
What a
place
restaurant.
blows my mind. I think this is probably my favorite restaurant in Bangkok.
I have to say the same as well. It is really, really amazing. My God. But great food partner. I appreciate it, man.
Thank you, you as well. This was fun.
Oh, super fun. We got to do this again in Dubai because I really want to host you in Dubai.
Okay, and if you ever come to Philippines and we're in town, you guys are coming too.
Super. Love it.
Oh, you my boy squad, be sure to subscribe to his vlog. How often you upload? Every week?
Yeah.
Every week, travels all over the world. He's got great vlogs, guys.
Oh my God, thank you so much. Honestly, a super awesome pleasure to meet you finally. I've been wanting to do this for a year, so thank you very much. Thank
Welcome.
RJ as well for hooking it up. And same thing, Mikey Bustos. Please check out the channel. I'm gonna put the link below.
Yes.
And if you're not following him, I don't know why, but you should right away. And if you're not
Thank you.
following me, do that as well. Secondary. Thank
Hit
you
the
very
like button.
Yeah, and the bell, right? I mean, people talk about the bell a lot now.
Yeah, because you don't want to rely on the. Sometimes if you don't hit the bell, people don't get notified, and it's just bad news. So hit the bell.
Hit the bell as well. All right, peeps, we're out of here because we just want to go and relax now. So, good night.
Oh wait, I'm gonna say.
Oh, it's not finished. So
Yeah,
sorry. Yeah, we can do that by the way. We
If
can
you
put our
wanna
hand on the
see-
camera and come
Yeah.
back. It's possible. Sorry.
If you want to see the rest of the night, come watch my vlog. I'm gonna vlog it.
And you're gonna see at the end of this video, like in a few seconds, a video is gonna be there as well. It's gonna be somewhere like right here.
Right.
Somewhere like right here. Yeah, that's it. We're out of here, peeps. Peace out.